PNC Bank Debit Card Review 2025. Worth it or leave it? Most people underestimate debit cards, but the PNC Bank Debit Card offers convenience, fraud protection, and account integration that make it more than just a payment tool. The surprising truth is that PNC's debit card integrates seamlessly with digital wallets, online banking, and PNC's budgeting tools. You can use it anywhere Visa is accepted, withdraw cash at ATMs nationwide, and access mobile alerts for every transaction. Additional benefits include zero liability for unauthorized transactions and fraud monitoring. PNC also offers tools like Virtual Wallet, which combines checking, savings, and a debit card into one platform, helping you manage money efficiently. The downside? There are no rewards for spending, and some accounts may have monthly maintenance fees if minimum balances aren't maintained. Verdict: worth it for PNC customers who want convenience, security, and account integration. Leave it if you're seeking cashback or credit building benefits.